Before beginning your Tier 2 survey, ensure that the selected kelp bed is large enough to complete a minimum of 10 quadrats, roughly 30 meters in length. If the selected kelp bed isn't large enough, move to the nearest kelp bed that is. While Tier 1 methods are used to roughly map where kelp is located and its extent, Tier 2 methods are meant to collect a higher level of detail and information. The first step of Tier 2 is recording reference information for your kelp bed using your data collection app or a data sheet. You'll want to record the following. First, record a brief description of your general location, including the name of the bay, inlet, or nearby island, and a unique ID number. Write down the names of the crew doing the survey. Record marine weather conditions like wind, current, and waves. Record the time and tide height, both when you start the survey and when you complete the survey. Record any species you observe in the area, including seals, sea lions, sea otters, and marine birds. You'll also need to record your GPS location. Using your data collection app or a data sheet, record the UTM coordinate of your site so that it can be found again, and so that remotely sensed imagery from satellites and planes can be easily paired with your local site data. It's important to note what kind of substrate your kelp bed is growing on. Common substrate types are bedrock, boulder, cobble, pebble, and sand cover, primary and secondary. If the bottom is not visible, estimate this based on the surrounding shorelines. The presence or absence of sea urchins can also tell us a lot about the health of a kelp bed. Record whether or not you see any sea urchins at your survey site. If present, note things like species, color, and abundance. If you don't see any sea urchins, note that they're absent. Remember that each kelp bed will have its own unique ID number. An easy method to create a unique ID number is to start with an abbreviation of your nation or organization, then add the letter K, so we know it's a kelp survey, and a number for the kelp bed. Here's an example using the first kelp bed surveyed by the Heltsuck Guardian crew, HK-K1.